Gold is trading at 2,400 US dollars per ounce. Silver prices, they're trading back at $28.50 per ounce. Oil is trading at $82.50 per barrel. Platinum prices, they're trading at $950 per ounce. Palladium is trading at 1,040 US dollars per ounce. Now this week with our clients, we have locked in 4,350 points profit. I'll talk you through that very shortly, but essentially for every one lot contract you'd be trading, that's over $4,000 of profit. Every 10 lot contract you'd be trading, that's over 40,000 US dollars of profit. Firstly, at the beginning of the week, we've taken the opportunity here to scale out of more profit on platinum. So we banked over 1,000 points on platinum. We've done the same on crude oil before oil has rolled over exactly as we talked you through on Monday's commodity report. We were expecting this rotation lower, particularly for crude oil. Alongside that, we've also capitalized on the sell side with platinum this week, just today, banking 250 points profit from a sell short that we executed just on Wednesday. Within 24 hours, platinum has rolled over nicely. Last Friday was another windfall amount of profit for us on gold. On a single position, we booked 4,000 points profit. That's from a position that we entered in under $2,000 per ounce just in the middle of February, in fact on Valentine's Day, and within the matter of 6 weeks we have been able to bank 4,000 points profit on a single trade. So at the moment we remain long 3 silver trades, 3 gold trades, 3 oil trades. Alongside that we have multiple positions on platinum and palladium. All of those are protected, and in fact even on our sell short on platinum that we executed at the start of this week, that has already been protected. So let's just go back through the playbook here, what we discussed with you on Monday's week ahead. We have observed that many speculators, they've essentially bought in much later into the move. They're using outdated strategies, momentum-based indicators to trade the trend here, as we've seen oil, gold, silver, platinum, as they're broken out towards 2024 highs. The problem with that is that they're buying very late. And typically, you're going to get punished if you buy late. If you get FOMO, the fear of missing out, if you buy right at the top of the move here, which is what we're seeing at the moment, you're very likely to get rugged. So first of all, what have we seen here? Oil prices, as we discussed at the start of the week, the fact that we've seen a lot of fresh buyers come into the market over the last couple of weeks here, oil has not been able to break out any further. It failed multiple times around $86, $87 per barrel. Initially, we actually had 7 trades on this market. We've banked 4, we're remaining in long 3, but each time we've had those breakouts back towards the highest levels of 2024, we've used that for exit liquidity. So as we're banking, we are essentially dumping on speculators that are adding to this market much later, using that for exit liquidity. So anyone who's FOMOing in, buying much later, we're essentially selling to them. Now, of course, with oil, where we are right now, it has rolled over. So it's gone from 87 down to sub $82 per barrel. All of this to be expected if you're aware of the cycles where we are at the moment as we get towards the end of April. So again, not being complacent, locking in profit every step of the way. It has been the same on platinum. So we talked you through that on Monday as well. Ultimately, platinum was looking ripe for rolling over. The fact that we've again seen many speculators, they've bought much later into the move here. They've flipped long after being selling short throughout most of the year. And now, as they've flipped long at the highest levels in 2024, they have been rugged here as well. Platinum has broken down over 500 points in just the last week. We've now managed to capitalize on 250 points on that move on the sell side, but also banking the long side as well for over 1,000 points profit before we really started to see it turn and roll over. So again, it really is just a case of understanding the cycles where we are at the moment in terms of a capital flow point of view. At the beginning of April, of course, we moved into a new month, a new quarter, fresh record highs for gold, fresh 2024 highs as well for oil, for gold, for silver, and also we've seen similar on platinum as well. However, as you transition into a new tax year, get beyond the second week of April where we were expecting further capital inflows, we're now into a period where normally you're going to see a sell side pressure from the middle of April onwards through to the end of the month, particularly in the lead up to the FOMC statement into the first week of May. That is going to be a blockbuster news item that you absolutely do not want to miss out on. There are some very specific cycles to capitalize on as we get closer towards that news item. So for now, the game plan, it remains the same. We've continued to bank profit on the breakout at the beginning of the week. Further acceleration that we've seen here on gold, on silver. So again, gold, we booked on a single trade over 4,000 points profit. We've still got over 10,000 points of open profit here on gold. It is consolidating just under $2,400 per ounce. It's the same on silver. Silver is consolidating at $28.50 per ounce. Notice we haven't sold short gold or silver. We sold platinum. Platinum has been the laggard. It has dropped the most over the last few days. It's dropped like a stone, the same as oil, the same as we talked you through on the week ahead commodity report. All of that has played out to expectations here. So for the remainder of the week here, and as we go into next week, I am looking to scale out of more profit on the sell side here on platinum that we just initiated on Wednesday. Again, we're already up over 250 points. On that sell short, it has already been protected as well. I am looking at opportunities if oil drops low enough back down towards the swing lows to restack and re-add two longs on this market, as long as we can get a sizable correction between now and the end of the month here. It's going to be similar across other commodities too. 2024, it is the age of data, and as such, you want to be utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence. You need to be utilizing a professional approach that will actually give you an edge in the market. Further compound this with the understanding and learning capital flows in the market, alongside that, how the hedge funds, the money managers, the banks, the institutions, how they're all positioned in the market in real time. Learn and understand the daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, real-time, data-driven cycle for each commodity. Further compound that with the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, then the macroeconomics, the fundamentals, the geopolitics. All of this is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.